In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor in QuickBooks Accountant. Getting this right from the start makes your bills, expenses, and payments easier to manage and ensures your accounts payable stays accurate. First, sign in to QuickBooks Accountant. Once you're in, open your client's company file. If you're just practicing or want to test the process without affecting real data, you can open a sample company. It's a safe way to get comfortable with the workflow before you do it in a live file. Next, look for the New button. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the top left or on the left sidebar. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select Add Vendor. This opens a form where you'll enter the vendor's details. Start with vendor name. Use the full official name as you want it to appear on bills and reports. If the vendor operates under a company name that's different from the individual's name, add that in the company field. This helps keep your records consistent and makes it easier to search later. Enter the vendor's email so you can send purchase orders or communicate quickly. Phone, mobile, and fax are optional, but adding at least one reliable contact number can be helpful for follow-ups. A website is also optional and can be handy if you frequently reference product catalogs or support information. Fill in the complete address, including street, city, state, zip code, and country. Accurate addresses are important for mailing checks, vendor statements, or year-end forms. Double-check spelling and formatting to avoid delays or miscommunications. If the vendor has an outstanding balance that predates your QuickBooks setup, enter that amount in opening balance and set the opening balance date to when that balance became effective. If you're unsure, it's better to leave this at 0 and confirm with your accountant later. Since incorrect opening balances can lead to misstated reports, use the memo field for internal notes, like preferred payment terms, account numbers, or reminders that your team needs to see. These notes don't print on bills, so it's a great place for context you want to keep in-house. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your new vendor is now in the system and ready to be selected when you enter bills, expenses, and payments. Adding vendors this way keeps your accounts payable organized and ensures every bill is linked to the correct supplier, making your reporting clean and your workflows smoother.